Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today my project is keyboard control LED using Tinkercad website. In this project, I have used Arduino Uno resistor LED. LED's anode is connected to resistor. Resistor is connected to D6 of the Uno. LED's cathode is connected to ground of the Uno. This is the coding of the project. Starting the code with Arduino begin. Set pin number 6 as output. Serial begin baud rate 9600 to give connection to the laptop and nano for our pin. Now convert the read data to ASCII character that is equal to small a. That is, when I press A in the serial monitor, the LED glows and display LED on. When I press D in the serial monitor, the LED off and display LED off. Let's start simulation. When I press A, LED glows and serial monitor also display LED on. When I press D, LED off and LED off in the display. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammad Jan from Robotics. Oh